Out here in Ely, a little bit of a later start than I wanted. It's about 5:45. It's like 33 degrees. I think they said it was like, felt like 25, but it's not too bad. A little bit of a bite. Very cool place. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna be ending up here. Not literally, but if all goes well. This is Ely's red light area, I guess. Yeah. But I'm gonna be heading up to 50, doing a new climb from what I did last year. Hopefully traffic is kind. Good fun. I think at climbing at about a rate of 1,000 feet every mile or something, and seems like a lot, but this trail over here is not too bad. Wow, I can see the road way down there. It's the road that I rode out of Ely on the 50, but I'm getting pretty high up. I know I'm getting to the top because I'm riding towards the highest peak. It's almost there. It's maybe like 500 feet more elevation or so. Doesn't even look like a trail. Oh my gosh. It's steep and it's all rugged, and maybe there's a reason why no one rides this stuff. But I guess I'm just gonna cruise through and just what happens. Oh man, what is that? It's like deer poop. That's great. Must be on the right trail. But I should probably check my map. Does this even look like a trail? God. I have no idea where this goes. Holy crap, this does not look like a trail. I don't know where this goes. Maybe there's a path. Maybe there's a reason why this isn't on any of the maps, and these cacti are super sharp. I think I gotta go over off this thing. Oh crap. Honestly, I can't tell if this is a trail. This has got to be it right here. This K2 trail, not a trail. I just feel like I'm cutting new trail myself, because maybe it goes this way, maybe it goes that way. I mean, it's just like, oh crap. And I don't want to go sending it down something I'm not familiar with. Let me just start riding down the hill and just do a course correction at some point. This path. It's a beautiful view, but I don't know where this path is. I see a stick down there, which means I'm riding too high. Look at this. What am I doing, you guys? What the fuck am I doing? I don't know, this is the way down. I found myself into a I think maybe just water runs down this way. Oh, fuck me. Alright, check the map. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop. Holy crap. Hope I'm going the right way. Yeah. I'm already done with K2. I'm now riding towards Rob's Knob, but I gotta find it is the problem. But people have put out these ticker tapes, which I hope leads to Rob's Knob, because I don't know where else they could be, but there's also a lot of these other, I can't tell if they're side trails or if it's just water running off. So yeah, I feel like I'm getting close. Rob's Knob, the start of it, and I'm on my last battery, and I still have to go down Whorehouse, but I need to just chill. Sure. Feet back on. Woo. Whoa, what is this? My chain off? It is, of course. But I'll take it easy. And this one, you know what? I think I could, but I think I just roll off, but I don't need to go eating it. It's okay. Oh my gosh, that was steep as fuck. That was a big drop. I don't know which way's out. This way? Probably check. I'm gonna check the map. It is this way, but I'm honestly not very sure, because I'm not seeing any bike marks. But again, this looks like a trail. That's a big roller. Big baby line. See a ticker tape. I'm going the right way. I think I'm supposed to go. I'm supposed to go this line. Just hop on. Not bad, a little bit loose. Ooh. There we go. Let's try hopping back on. Yeah. Stay out of the ruts. And everything's really soft, I think from the rain last night. Here. Oh, chain's off. Need our new chain. Fix my chain. At the top of Whorehouse Downhill. It'll be my second time riding this. I rode this last year. Super fun. When I was climbing back up Squaw Peak, I could hear thunder rolling in. I know it's supposed to be thunder and lightning coming in pretty soon, the next 30 minutes. So hopefully I can get off the mountain. It doesn't look too bad right now, but if it pours like it did yesterday, I'll be in trouble. And I also don't want to get hit by lightning because that would not be fun. So I'm gonna roll. Just chill. Pedals off. Hey. Oh, look, there's a ladder. Or a bypass. Ooh, it's a really steep bypass. Should have probably just ridden that. Skinny. A little bit muddy, I think from the rains yesterday. Upshift. Some more gears. Ride easy. It's kind of tiring. Ooh. Smacked the crap out of my pedal. My foot. Loose. Fell off. tired. Oh, I think I should not ride this. Being tired. Yeah, I skipped this last time too. Oh, have to not do that feature. Oh, I think I go straight. Oh, need a break. Oh. Tree. Oh. It's a little climbing section. And here we go. Ooh, slidey, slidey. Ooh, big rock. Still pedaling. So let's go. Relax. Because this stuff's so loose. Oh. There we go. Oh, this is a steep section. Break Central. Loose, get out of the rut. Thank you for the ticker tape. Take a break. Almost at the bottom. Hard right. Oh, my bike chain is off. Oh, Whorehouse Downhill, that's fun. Whew. This is Big Four. Ely, one of two cities where prostitution is legal within the city limits. Oh, there's another one, Stardust Ranch. Very cool. And I think my derailler's broken or really bent out of shape. So go take a look at it. Boogered. Look at that. Good fun.